Hi guys, this is iFoodie Girl. Today I'm going to show you how to make Super Fluffy Souffle Omelette. You will only need 3 eggs. Separate the egg whites and the egg yolks in 2 separate bowls. Souffle is a baked egg-based dish originating in France. The traditional souffle isn't difficult to make. Add a pinch of salt. Half tablespoon of sugar. Whisk the egg yolks until they become pale in color. Now take the egg whites. Add a pinch of salt. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix everything together. Using a whisk or electronic blender, beat egg whites until firm, glossy peaks form. Drop a tablespoon of canola oil. Pour the egg yolks mixture. Cook over medium-low heat until bottom of omelette has set. Pour the egg whites creamy mixture on top. Cook for another 5 minutes or until the top of the omelette has set. Carefully slide the omelette out of the pan and into a warm serving plate. Gently slice it into half. Fold it over itself. Serve like that. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon.